Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Let's build a Make It Blocks helicopter, laser blocks, LED powered blocks. This is from Dollar Tree. Okay, let's open it up. Here's my instructions. And here is my collection of transparent bricks. Alright, we got a lot of trans blue here. There's my light block. A couple pieces that aren't transparent. A lot of trans blue. Tiny little trans green. Couple little trans purple, trans. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, I see what those are. And this is a lot of trans clear. So let's start. Step 1. Okay, these 2x8s and a couple non-trans clear trans blue pieces. They're actually standard black pieces. Okay, step 2. We take this 1x4 that is trans blue. Let's get a trans clear tile and put that on the front of it. Then a trans clear 1x2 brick. And 2. Let's see, we want the inverted slopes. So we're going to put 2 inverted trans blue slopes on. Now we're going to attach that to the part we have. Now we're done step 2. Step 3. We're going to use socket connection here. And 1 tile. So we're going to have basically 3 1x2s. One's got a connection ball joint and a connection for it. So we're going to put that together. Put that on the back of these inverted slopes. And the other 1x2 in front of it. Step 4, these purple, violet, whatever color that is, we're going to take 1 blue and a 1x6 clear. So on, where did it? Okay, and then we need 2 of these. There I am. And where am I at? Okay, so the blue is going to go on the top there. We're going to take these studs not on top. There's going to be one pointing forward and one pointing to the side and one pointing to the side. We are going to attach this angular plate on. Going to do the same on the other side. The one point to the front, one point to the side, one point to the side. We're going to put the angular. There we go. Then on the back, we're going to have the 1x6. Let's pull it to the other side. Get our light brick. It does light up. So the light brick is going to attach to the studs from the set where studs not on top. Then we're going to take the 2x2 with a rounded attachment to it with a hole in it and put that on the back of the helicopter. And another 1x2 plate Oopsie, let's pull that. That goes back one further because the plate has to go in first. So there we are. Now, guess that little round piece is going to connect to this to make that secure. Now we're going to take the propeller. We're going to take the 1x1 with a connection. So we attach that to the propeller. Now we got our rear propeller, which is not transparent. Take the 2x4, and we're going to take this slope. This is a tall slope. So the slope is going to go on the second set of studs. Okay, let me pull this off. I gotta put this, oops, that fell off. I gotta put this on with a part to lay up on the side, so when I put on this 2x4, I keep saying 1x, I can still get to the light. And I have a 1x tile that I guess goes on the back here. A 1x1. Alright, step 7. Going to take our 2 capsules, our slope, our 2x2 tile with a stud on top in the middle, a 2x2, and my little green stud. So on the back, we're going to put on the slope with the green stud on top. That's a light, I guess, so you can see the helicopter, since it's invisible helicopter. Then we'll put the 2x2 on there. Put this nice rounded piece, and then put another one on front, so that kind of encloses our capsule. And I'm supposed to put this 2x2 on first, then I can put the tile with the stud on top. Now we're going to build the wings. Okay, and that will use the remaining parts. So let's get this in view here. We got the 1x6, the 1x4, the 1x6, the 1x4. And then on the top of it, we're going to use this blue tile with a hole in it. And on the bottom of it, we're going to use this 2x2 round brick. And that's our wings. And we should attach it to that one with the stud on top. And there is our helicopter. And let's light it up. There's my helicopter that lights up. You really got to hold everything together when you light it up, because you got to pull it forward to light up. So you hold the front. So there we are. That is my helicopter, my laser blocks helicopter. I'm getting a lot of transparent pieces with these. So if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and see more of them. And you can click like on this video too if you like. Like. Well, thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again.